A decrease is used in order to reduce the amount of stitches. You can use it to narrow and shape the garment, to make netted stitches, buttonholes, sleeves, etc. To make a decrease while knitting, you can use an SKPO or knit 2 stitches together. The decrease stitch will incline to the left or the right, depending on the type of decrease you use. For the decreases to incline to the left, we will make a slip knit pass over, SKPO. To do so, introduce the right hand needle inside the first stitch and slip it without working it to the right hand needle. Knit the next stitch. With the tip of the left hand needle, pass the stitch you first slipped over the second stitch. You have now an SKPO and 1 stitch less. Keep working. Turn your work around and purl all stitches. Turn around again and make another decrease. Slip the first stitch, knit 1 and pass the slip stitch over the second stitch. Repeat and work as many decreases as you need. Now, we will make a decrease by knitting 2 stitches together. In this case, the stitches will move to the right, so we will decrease at the end of the row. Introduce the right hand needle through the 2 stitches on the left hand needle and knit them together as a regular knit stitch. Remember to make this decrease on the right side of the project. Turn around and purl all stitches. Turn around and keep working. In this case, we have made the decreases at the beginning or at the end of the row, but you can do it wherever you want according to the design you want to make, or as stated in your pattern. The ideal will be to combine both kinds of decreases on the same row. SKPO on the right side of the project and knit 2 together on the left side, so the edges are even.